I made a mini survival game. As you can guess, this game is about gathering resources, crafting tools, building a little shelter and becoming unbeatable. But there are things like hunger and monsters that will trouble you in your journey. World in this game is generated from the seed, which is inserted by the player or generated randomly. You can create multiple saves, probably an infinite amount, but I'm not sure about that. After creating a world, you are greeted by 200 by 200 blocks large world. Yeah, it's not infinite for now. First thing you need to do is to get some sticks, liana and cobblestone. You would want to punch some trees, but nothing will happen because you need an axe to chop it down. Only option is to punch some bushes and small rocks to obtain resources. After getting them, you can open inventory and craft some essential tools like stone hammer and stone axe to smash bigger rocks and chop down trees, as well as craft sword to beat some animals to obtain first food. After stone tools, go copper ones. To obtain some copper, you can go to the cave. Or you can just go around and smash medium-sized rocks to obtain some copper. After obtaining it, you need to smelt it. It can be done in the campfire that is craftable in the crafting table. As fuel you can use wooden things or coal, which is the best fuel in the game. After smelting some copper you can craft all copper tools, but you would better keep some copper for a basic furnace cause it's needed to smelt tin and iron. After obtaining copper tools, you would better plant some trees for an infinite wood and liana source, as well as build some walls around your little base, in order to defend yourself from the monsters at the night. And to get in and out from your base, craft and place some doors, but remember the player character is 2 blocks tall and 1 block wide. And to be sure that monsters can spawn in your base, place some torches, which will prevent monsters from spawning in an area. Burning furnaces provide light too. Next thing is tin, which can be obtained from large rocks in the overworld. But it's better to go into the caves and mine around to obtain some more copper and tin with some cobblestone. But copper and tin are not the only resources that can be found in the cave. There also are coal, iron, lead, sulfur and saltpeter ores. After obtaining copper and tin, you can craft bronze in the furnace with them. In order to craft bronze and iron tools, you need some strings that can be crafted from wool, which is obtained from sheaves by beating them or shearing them with the shears. That can be crafted from an iron. Bronze tools allow you to obtain iron from which you can craft iron tools and get to the latest tier of the tools, that has highest durability and mining speed. With iron pickaxe you can mine every resource and have access to the most powerful ranged weapon in the game. About ranged weapon, there are 3 kinds of them. Bow, which can be crafted in the inventory from sticks and liana. Crossbow, which can be crafted in the crafting table when you have access to an iron. But pistol, which is the most powerful one, needs some steel, which can be crafted with an advanced furnace from iron and coal. As for the ammunition, bow uses wooden arrows that can be crafted from sticks in the inventory, or copper arrows, which require copper and feathers, which can be obtained from chicken. Crossbow uses bolts, which require iron and feathers too. And pistol uses bullets, which are crafted from the high-end resources. And last but not least thing are chest and bed. Each chest has 35 slots where you can store any items. As for bed, it allows you to skip night and avoid monsters. There are more things in the game, like digging floor blocks which create a hole in the ground, jumping in and out of the hole, camera zoom changes and other things, which you can discover on your own, and all game controls can be viewed in the guide tab. And that's it for this game. This game took me more than a month to create. I learned how to use tile maps, which will be useful in my next tower defense game. But this game isn't without flaws. I want to change things like crafting by removing crafting time, reworking like system, which is pretty glitchy at the moment. I also want to add commands to make game testing a lot faster and make world infinite with different biomes. But that's for the next update. As for now, I'm going to make the next game as mentioned. It will be a top-down tower defense game, where you are placing structures to defend your castle and you are participating in defending as a warrior. As for now, I am making a second video on the survival game about the developing process, and it will be published 1 week later from this video publication date. And that's it for this video. This game is available on itch.io as well as my previous game Infifighter. Link is in the description. If you like this video, then leave a like and consider subscribing to the channel so you don't miss out when I make some new stuff or update old one. Also, if you have any ideas how to improve the game or you encounter any bugs, then write down in the comments. Okay, enough of my rant. Thanks for watching this video till the end, it means a lot. I am Ru and see you in a week. Bye!